Hi, and welcome to a special cooking corner today. Today we're going to make strawberry and Snickers sticks. Here's a fun and yummy recipe to make during the month of February. Okay, so what you will need is 16 small or 8 large strawberries, 6 fun-sized Snicker bars halved. Now I have the minis Snickers, so I just cut these in half, which is perfect size. Some caramel sauce, and some bamboo sticks. So what we're going to do with these is you're going to take a bamboo stick. Now, I made one up ahead of time to show you the finished product. So what you want to do is get your strawberries, clean and wash them, and cut the tops off. And for each strawberry, I'm just going to cut it in half. So I made 4 strawberries on there, so this is 4 strawberries cut in half. And then for your Snicker bars, I had 3. And I'm going to cut the last one in half. And if you like more chocolate, you could put some more on. You can double it up. So you want to take your bamboo stick and just thread the strawberries on the stick, and then your candy piece, your Snickers. Now, you could use Milky Ways if you don't like peanuts. You could switch it up any way you'd like. Just keep alternating the pieces. Last piece of chocolate and my last piece of strawberry. So there you go. Now, the next thing, there's another way you can make these if you like. I would prefer them this way because after you're done with this, you're going to get your caramel and drizzle it. Over your strawberry and Snickers sticks. This looks really good. They are good. I like a lot of caramel in it, so I'm going to put them. And there you go. There's your finished product. You can keep these in your refrigerator until ready to serve. Now, another way you can make these if you would like to is once you get them prepared like this, you can transfer them to a prepared baking sheet and freeze until firm at least 4 hours. And if you're going to freeze these, when you're ready to serve, you transfer the frozen strawberry and Snickers sticks to a serving platter and then drizzle the caramel sauce on it. But I do prefer them this way, but you can always make a couple up and freeze them for at least 4 hours and try it and see if you like it that way. So it's a really quick and easy recipe, and it's very good. So I hope you get to enjoy this yummy recipe.